Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my new baby. I got the Yves Saint Laurent. I'm not gonna tell you what, I'll just show you. Came today, I was super excited. So as you can see, it's a nice little black box. If I can get it open. Guess this is my receipt. Let's see. It says thank you. It's a receipt and a return shipping label, I guess in case I didn't like it or something. It is packaged nicely, sticker on the top. I hate to tear it open, but hey. Wow. Okay, so inside it's in a dust bag. So excited, I'm so excited. Let's see. And we got the Yves Saint Laurent Monogram envelope in medium. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's the black pebbled leather quilted. And I got it with the silver chain and monogram. If I can get this tag right. And then it's got a strap that you can change up. You can do it as, if I can get it straight, give me 1 second. You can do it as a shoulder bag, or you can make it long, like that, or you can do it as a crossbody. I just open it up and what you see inside. It's pretty, very pretty. It's got Saint Laurent Paris on the inside. Does not have a middle section. It's just empty inside. It's got like a little slot in here that you can put stuff. There's something in there. Let's see what this is. I'm assuming this is probably a cleaning cloth. It's got a outside pocket that you can store things in. So I'll let you guys know what I think so far. I love it. I saw it at Saks in person, but they didn't have the black. They only had red, pink, white, and green or blue, I'm not sure. I didn't want any of those colors, so I actually had to buy the bag from Yves Saint Laurent. Took about 5 days to get here. And so far, I'm in love. I don't think I'll change my mind. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's exactly the right size, and I just love everything about it. So, there you go. Thank you.